Howdy guys, thanks for watching CheapShot. Today we are going to take and you know those rifle rods, the heated rifle rods. I'll throw one up on the screen. It's in the safe right now. I've had one for as long as I can remember, but the little clips it came with are gone. Where they went, I don't know. They probably broke. Um, who knows? So we're going to use Fusion 360. We're going to 3D print some new ones. It'll be able to withstand it. I measured the temperature of my rifle rod. It sits around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like 50-ish degrees Celsius. So like, you know, we're not even at, we're like as hot as the print bed is. So let's get started. Let's learn how to do this. We're going to be working in millimeters because we're printers. I said that to someone on my Discord. Stop using imperial. We are printers. Act like it. So we want to create a sketch and pick a plane. It doesn't really matter. But here's some cool things we want to do. So the circle of our rod, our diameter of our rod is 22.25 millimeters, right? So what are some things that we want to do? We want to go a little bit bigger so that has room to clip in. We can either make a new circle, or we can right click it, sketch, offset, and we can offset it, you know, 0.15, 0.2, whatever we feel is going to be most comfortable for that. Let's go 0.3. It doesn't need to be a lot. And I can hit OK, and it'll make that other circle. And let's just delete that second circle. Excuse me, that first circle, just for simplicity. So that's going to be the smallest portion of my clip. So we'll do that again. I love using this offset tool. And we want it to be 2 millimeters thick. And this is the part that will extrude up, so that has the room to click inside. So how are we going to make it click? Well, let's get a line tool, and we're going to do this all in one sketch. And, you know, what's enough room to make it click? It doesn't really matter. We can go out forever with this. We can go up the circle. It doesn't matter. But let's make it 60 degrees. And we'll click right there. And we'll do the same. Sometimes it makes it a little weird with where it wants to do those degrees from, but it seems to be doing fine right now. Sometimes you might have to do a little bit of math. I know it can be hard, but you can do it. I have faith in you. Right? All right, so we got that. Now we need the rest of the clip. Right? We need something that's actually going to connect to the wall or something. 15 seems good. 20 seems good. We're eyeballing it, my friends. You know, it's 3D printing. It's cheap. It doesn't have to be perfect each time. You know, this is going to cost what? A nickel material? So does it really need to be the bee's knees? No, it doesn't. And we can finish my sketch. So we did all that in one sketch. We made this complex geometry in one sketch. And we could have made it a little bit more complex by adding some fillets in there and whatnot, but we can do that later. So how are we going to extrude this out? Well, the great thing about Fusion 360 versus other things that I complain about is I can select all of these and just bring them out, you know, the ones that I want by holding shift. So I can click that, right? I want that to extrude out. Naturally, I want this part to extrude out. I need that to extrude out. But that's all I really want. And so I can not press pull. So I can extrude all of that. And let's come out, I don't know, 15. And that was easy peasy lemon freaking squeezy, you know? And there's a clip, and I can put some 3M on the back and be completely good to go. But you know, I'm going to print this in this orientation. So let's make it a little bit nicer because we're going to print it up in that Z. We can add some fillets over here. If you design something and it ever looks ugly, just add some fillets. That's all you got to do. We can make that super hard if we want. Let's make it a little soft. You know, let's make it just kind of soft. And you know, why not? Let's give these edges a nice small little fillet. Just a small little fillet. Bring that in. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look how good that looks. That looks great. And it was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at that wireframe. Sometimes I like the wireframe. I do a lot of things in Creo with the wireframe. But that'll look great. That'll look good. So let's send this to the printer, right? Some people, I'm being told, aka this used to be me, are saving this, then they're exporting it as STL. But this is a one-off thing, man. I'm gonna print this, and honestly, like I'm probably never gonna print this again. I'm gonna print 2 of these, and then why would I need to print them again? It doesn't matter. So here's a little life pro tip for you. We're gonna right-click on our part. Um, Even though I have it unsaved, no name, it doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna save as STL. There's this button here, send to 3D print utility. I got that to work like once. Never had it work after that, so don't even worry about trying it. Hit OK, and then it's gonna ask where I want to save it. 3D objects, rifle, rod, clip, and there it is for Kira. So I've got my my display cabinet over here. Do you like the lights? They're new. Thanks for the stimmy. And we can open it up, and we can remove Daddy Garand. And we pull out the rifle rod. Carefully. So boom, we got the rod. I actually don't use this much anymore because, as you can see back there, my relative humidity is around 39%, which is actually lower than it should be. We should be around 50%, but that's besides the point. And so I have my clips. I have not checked this. Oh, but it's perfect because I'm a genius and everyone knows this. I mean, it's a little loose, but that's all right. It's just meant to be sitting in there. What about the other side? Ready? Oh, oh my goodness, he's done it again. Oh, how does he do this? And that'll be great. And I just put a little 3M tape on the back. Let's go ahead and do that now. Scotch Mount Indoor. This video is brought to you by Scotch Mount Indoor 3M strips, available at hardware stores everywhere. Just kidding. No one would. No one would give me money for this. Now, just a little dollop of daisy will do ya. Look at that. I didn't even measure that thickness, and it came out perfect. I'm a genius. Now let's drop the camera down low. Oh, baby. A little bit further. Oh. 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 Can you see the bottom? No, we need to go down further. Take it down one more level. Oh. Oh, this is getting demonetized. All right, boom. So we got it on there. Snap it on. Oh, boom. And let's throw it in the back. Should I remove? Sorry, Winston Churchill, you gotta go. And sorry, Hans, you gotta get out of here. And let's position this in the back. Put my clips back on. All right. And we're going to do the old eyeball method. And just, that looks about right. And boom. Good enough for government work. That doesn't look half bad if I do say so myself. So make your own. If you've got this type of setup, you can do it. I believe in you. Thanks for watching CheapShot. I'm sweaty.